Hold on to your seats because there's some electrifying buzz in the air. Rumor has it that Samsung might be giving the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra a jaw-dropping titanium frame. While Samsung's lips are sealed on this tantalizing tidbit, Apple might have accidentally spilled the beans at its recent iPhone 15 launch event. Now, Apple and Samsung, they're like distant cousins in the tech world. They often borrow tricks from each other's playbooks, and for us die-hard Samsung fans, this latest Apple event has practically given the titanium dreams for the Galaxy S24 Ultra an official seal of approval. But wait, it gets even more thrilling. The chances of the Galaxy S24 Ultra sporting that sleek titanium finish have just skyrocketed. Why? Well, the brand spanking new iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. They've gone all in on titanium. Yep, Apple beat Samsung to the punch this time, but you know Samsung won't back down from a challenge. Now, get ready for this plot twist. The Galaxy S24 series might just follow in Apple's titanium-clad footsteps. In fact, word on the street is that the Galaxy S24 Ultra could be the one to flaunt this exclusive material, while the base and Plus Galaxy S24 models stick to their trusty aluminum armor. And if, by some wild twist of fate, Samsung doesn't rock the titanium boat with the S24 series, they'll definitely crank up the excitement for the Galaxy S25. But let's face it, all signs are pointing to the Galaxy S24 Ultra getting this epic upgrade. Apple may have struck first, but Samsung's hot on their heels, with the release expected early in 2024, possibly in January. Brace yourselves for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, complete with a flat display and a whopping 2 TB of storage. It's going to be a game changer. Peace out.